Check my Marvel Rivals. Dang, activation successful, guys. 11,000 lattice. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. It is super cool, and you can actually go ahead and get free lattice with this method, guys. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's get straight into the guide. So basically, there's a site I found. It's really cool. It's called OG Snags. So let me just go ahead and type it in. This is the site where you can actually get like the Marvel Rivals codes. So as you can see, it says don't use VPNs, but let's just go to the search bar and just type in Marvel. As you can see, it says Marvel Rivals free units and lattice. So go ahead and press on that, and then go ahead and press show coupon code and just wait for it to load. So once it loads up, guys, we're just going to go ahead and put full code, and it's going to bring us over to this page here. So on this page, guys, we need to answer what we like about shopping at Amazon. So you don't have to do the same one as me, but after that, you got to enter your email because they are going to send this to your email. So make sure you guys use an email that you have access to. And as you can see, it says activating your reward. So now we just got to wait for this to load. We got to register. We got to fill this out. So let's do that right here so you guys can see. All right. So I'm just filling this out. Very important that you do this, guys, or it won't work. So let me just type this right here. All right. I mean, they just got to make sure you're real and everything. It's fine. So let's just put this in. All right. Let me just do that. All right. So I just got to put in my state. Alright, so then we have to do a survey, guys, which is really easy. So let me just go ahead and do the survey right here, as you can see. So I just got to answer the questions. Alright. Yeah, when did I last make an online purchase? Yeah, pretty simple stuff. So let me just go ahead and do it right here, as you can see. Alright. So next thing we need to do is just go ahead and like be done. So here it is, just finishing up. All right, just doing the survey right here. As you can see, it's kind of boring, but it's necessary. So let's just finish this. All right. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Okay, so anyway, guys, after you do the survey, it should tell you like deals and surveys are completed. So let's just finish this. Okay, so I'm gonna press I agree and continue, and then it's gonna load us to a new page where it should tell us that we're done. So let's just wait for this to load here. All right, and just press this. All right, so as you can see, it says like survey done, and then optional offers finished. Now the last step is the deal, so you may have to do a deal, guys. The deal is really simple. It's like these apps or something. You just gotta download and like pick it, press continue, and no thanks, and then you're done. So yeah, they're pretty straightforward stuff. So yeah, this Monopoly Go one I pressed on, you have to reach a certain level on it, which is not hard at all. So that's what I would do if I chose the Monopoly Go one. So yeah, I'll see you later, and peace out.